Today we are showing the universal way to use our communicator for fire alarm panels. Basically, if you have a panel with relays, we are going to show you how to use a communicator with any alarm panel on the market. Basically, if you have an alarm panel that has programmable relays and programmable relay outputs, you can use it with our communicator without any problem. Over here we have the normally closed NC2, which goes to the second input. C2 goes to the minus of our communicator, and NC1 goes to input 1, and C1 again goes to the minus. We also have the auxiliary power plus and minus, and this is everything that we're using in the communicator. This is NC1 input 1, NC2 input 2. We have 3 wires going to the minus and 1 going to the plus. This is everything you need to do. The communicator has 6 inputs, so if you have 6 relays, you're good to go with all of them. Now we're all good to go. We just need to program our events in our mobile application. So once we get to the R-Control-Admin application, we then go to Settings, choose Advanced Settings. So on the inputs, we are looking for input 2. Currently, this is not supervised. So we make it as a non-supervised zone, and our trouble code will be fire, which is 110. And we have it programmed for off as well. Once we click on Save, we're going to use this button to simulate a fire alarm. When we check our events on the phone application, we'll receive a fire alarm in Zone 2, and because I press the button again, we will have a restore in a second. Additional video tutorials for this product and the mobile application are available on our YouTube channel.